Hello fellow learners, once again it's Teacher Candy, and today we are powering up again as we dive into Assumptions Level 3. Now, where tricky questions finally starts to make sense. Alright, let's take a look at this question. Now, Mandy bought a total of 20 chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. Each chocolate cupcake costs $3. Each vanilla cupcake costs $1.40. Now, the total value of vanilla cupcakes is $6 more than the total value of the chocolate cupcakes. How many chocolate cupcakes did Mandy buy? All right. So, looking at this question, different from the chicken and cows question where you are given the total number of legs, or for those kind of quiz question that marks are given for correct answers and incorrect answer, you have to deduct marks. Okay, those are the easier ones. But for this one, they give you the total difference. Okay, the total value of vanilla cupcakes is $6 more than the total value of the chocolate cupcakes. All right, so they are telling you that the vanilla cupcakes total value is $6 more than all the chocolate cupcakes. Okay, so how are we going to calculate this? So let's take a look. If you are looking for difference and you take away, for example, you take away one vanilla cupcake and add in the chocolate cupcakes. Okay, we have to see the difference. Okay, so for example, let me show it to you, the difference of the exchange. When you exchange either chocolate for vanilla or vanilla for chocolate. So let's take vanilla and chocolate. Okay, I'm adding another vanilla and another chocolate. Okay, so for example, I have 2 vanilla and 2 chocolate now. You can see that it's already a difference because vanilla is cheaper than the chocolate. All right. But now the vanilla is more expensive than the chocolate. The total value is more expensive than the total number of chocolate. So the total number of chocolate is fewer. The chocolate cupcakes are fewer than the vanilla cupcakes. So let's take a look at what happens when there's an exchange. Okay, either way. So now this is the current difference. So current difference, I'll put it there as a gauge. So let's take away one vanilla and put one chocolate cupcakes. Okay, you notice that the difference is from here and here. Current difference not counted. So let's move current difference to the side first, right? So okay, take a look at this. Vanilla cupcake and chocolate cupcakes. So for every exchange, the difference is the sum of vanilla plus the chocolate. Okay, so the difference for every exchange is vanilla plus the chocolate. Okay, so what can we do about that? So because the vanilla cupcakes is more expensive, we take all 20 to be vanilla cupcakes. Okay, assuming all are vanilla cupcakes first. Okay, so that will be $28. $28, right? Okay, but remember that there are still chocolate cupcakes involved. So let's take away the difference to see how far we are. So total exchange difference, $28 minus $6, that's $22 here. All right, so this $22 is the total difference of the vanilla total exchange. Okay, total exchange. So we take a look at exchange difference of 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla. All right, so difference doesn't mean we have to minus in this case. So for the difference, right, for the exchange difference, right, we have to add them up. So 3 plus $1.40, that will be $4.40. So how many $4.40 are there in $22? Okay, so let's take a look. Number of chocolate cupcakes we exchange is 22 divided by $4.40, and that will get us 5 chocolate cupcakes. All right, now take a look at this question, try to solve it, and if you manage to get the answer, do put it in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.